Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to warp text around a shape in Photopea. Let's get started. I apply step 1. First of all, apply step 1. Selected any shape. Example, I use this shape text and added click line and type example color red and type any text. Wait few seconds. Okay, then type any text. Okay, then use type many text full or click text icon, paragraph and fill. Double click resize text. Okay, and step 2. Again create a new layer. Select the pen tool, right click use pen tool, shape, do not use fill, stroke color and click line or curve line, hold alter, remove. I do not use curve line. Okay, then again select text color, apply, same process. Type any text. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.